I'm going to do a quick video on how to turn any wall in your home into a dry erase board. For my purpose, I'm going to use my partition wall in my office as my dry erase board. And to do this, I'm going to use my Sherwin sketchpad kit, which comes in this box. Now this video is not sponsored, and I've never used this product before, so we're going to see how it turns out. Everything you need comes in this box. So they provide for you a roller, a paint tray, the instructions on how to do it, your water-based clear and your water-based hardener, a stirring stick, and gloves if you need it. To start with, open your water-based hardener, can B, and then open your water-based clear, can A. Then pour can B into can A. Next, stir for several minutes until the liquid turns white. Once the cans are opened, you have 1 hour to apply it before the solution expires. You can use a paintbrush to cut in if necessary. The solution is extremely runny, so make sure to put something down to protect your floor, especially if the floor is carpet. I was able to clean it up off of my hardwood floor without an issue, but carpet, it's definitely going to stick to you and it's not going to come out. Be aware that the longer the can is open, the thicker the solution becomes and the harder to apply, so make sure to work quickly. The can can cover 50 square feet if applied at the optimal thickness. So if you want to paint multiple smaller boards, make sure each location is prepped in advance, because once you open the can, you really are racing the clock before it hardens. I was not impressed with the foam roller provided, and I think it might affect the quality of the board when done. So if I use the product in the future, I would probably go out and buy a better quality roller to apply it with. So it's been 7 days since I applied my dry erase board paint to my office wall. At this point, the product is supposed to be fully cured, so I'm going to go ahead and test it out by writing on it. Okay, that wrote on the board pretty well. Now we're going to see what happens when I erase it. I can still faintly see where I was writing on the board. There's a little bit of trace of the red, but otherwise it erased pretty well. Now, with a normal whiteboard, a lot of times you still have faint traces of the marker, so that's to be expected. The quality of my eraser could be questionable in the issue here. Okay, so overall I'm pretty happy with the way the whiteboard came out. Physically it's smooth to the touch, but visually it looks uneven, and that could be my fault from applying it a little thicker than it was supposed to be. Some other rooms this product could be useful in is a kid's room, a playroom / entertainment room, your kitchen to be able to write down recipes or ingredients, or you can just use it in an office setting like we did. So if you're interested in this product, I'll leave a link in the description. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments. Thanks for watching this video. Like and subscribe, and we'll do more review videos in the future.